Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best karaoke machine. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. First of all, Alpicool karaoke machine for adults. With lyrics display built-in 13.3-inch screen. Truly all-in-one karaoke machine with 2 wireless microphone, 460W Bluetooth speaker for party, TV. Brand, Alpicool. Special feature, touch screen for lyric display, built-in microphone, auto-charging, rechargeable 460W peak power Bluetooth speaker, karaoke light, portable to connect TV, AUX in/out, Wi-Fi 2.4G per 5G, Bluetooth 5.3 touchscreen for lyric display, built-in microphone, auto-charging, rechargeable 460W peak power Bluetooth speaker, karaoke light, pour. See more. Color, black. Included components: 2 wireless microphones, Break X1 smart karaoke machine, power cable, shoulder strap, user manual. Recommended uses for product: commercial, home, TV, party, outdoor, indoor, adults, kids. Big party, largest screen and better karaoke experience. The world's first truly all-in-one karaoke machine with screen, karaoke system built-in 13.3-inch screen and streaming app. You can freely search for your favorite songs in the karaoke app and watch movies on YouTube. With 2 self-charging Bluetooth wireless microphones, dynamic light show and 460W peak power professional karaoke speaker. Boom! Powerful sound, loud and clear, dual 2.6-inch tweeters and 6.5 woofer, coupled with DSP chip and Alpicool Pro Sound 3.0, the sound remains balanced, noise-reduced, and echo-cancelled at any volume. First of all, Alpicool karaoke machine for adults. With lyrics display built-in 13.3-inch screen. Truly all-in-one karaoke machine with 2 wireless microphone, 460W Bluetooth speaker for party, TV. Brand, Alpicool. Special feature, touch screen for lyric display, built-in microphone, auto-charging, rechargeable 460W peak power Bluetooth speaker, karaoke light, portable to connect TV, AUX in/out, Wi-Fi 2.4G per 5G, Bluetooth 5.3 touchscreen for lyric display, built-in microphone, auto-charging, rechargeable 460W peak power Bluetooth speaker, karaoke light, pour. See more. Color, black. Included components: 2 wireless microphones, Break X1 smart karaoke machine, power cable, shoulder strap, user manual. Recommended uses for product: commercial, home, TV, party, outdoor, indoor, adults, kids. Big party, largest screen and better karaoke experience. The world's first truly all-in-one karaoke machine with screen, karaoke system built-in 13.3-inch screen and streaming app. You can freely search for your favorite songs in the karaoke app and watch movies on YouTube. With 2 self-charging Bluetooth wireless microphones, dynamic light show and 460W peak power professional karaoke speaker. Boom! Powerful sound, loud and clear, dual 2.6-inch tweeters and 6.5 woofer, coupled with DSP chip and Alpicool Pro Sound 3.0, the sound remains balanced, noise-reduced, and echo-cancelled at any volume and frequency, allowing you to clearly feel every beat of every song. Combined with Bluetooth wireless microphone and 460W peak power Bluetooth speaker, your singing and laughter fill space the size of tennis court. Perfect for karaoke night, outdoor party, street performances, home party, group event hosting. Number 3. Karaoke machine, portable Bluetooth karaoke speaker. With 2 wireless microphones. PA system for adults, kids with LED lights and echo adjustment. Supports TWS/TF/USB/AUX for home party. Brand, Visoko. Connectivity technology, Bluetooth. Color, black. Compatible devices, cellophone, tablet, television. All-in-one karaoke set, equipped with a Bluetooth 5.3 chip, supports multiple connectivity options such as Bluetooth, USB, and AUX, also as a music player, karaoke speaker, PA system, and guitar amplifier. The karaoke set comes with 2 wireless microphones. It is the top choice for every singing enthusiast. Immersive 3D surround. The karaoke machine adopts a professional high-fidelity audio system, complete with 6.5-inch woofers. It delivers crystal clear, richly full vocals and a deeply immersive audio experience. For personalized sound, simply rotate the echo button to adjust the reverb effect to match your preferences. Dynamic LED light show. Turn any room into a mini concert hall. This karaoke speaker comes with a built-in LED light show, where the LEDs dance to the rhythm of songs, creating a wonderful and romantic atmosphere. Gather your friends, join in the fun, and it will definitely be a wonderful karaoke night. On-the-go karaoke. With a leather handle and a shoulder strap, it is convenient to carry. Additionally, its playtime can reach 4 to 8 hours after it is fully charged, perfect for weekend parties, outdoor gatherings, even upstairs parties and road trips. You can start karaoke with your friends anytime and anywhere. Surprising TWS mode. The karaoke machine supports the TWS function. By double-clicking the play/stop button, you can realize the interconnection of 2 machines to form a dual-speaker karaoke system. This will make your party even more stunning. Number 4. Icareo Portable Karaoke Machine for Adults. Built-in lyrics display and screen. 2 self-charging wireless microphones, karaoke app, 140W speaker. Connects to TV for home party, birthday, outdoor camping. Brand, Icareo. Special feature, 6 months Carafun Prime, karaoke machine with lyrics display screen for adults and kids, 2 wireless microphones, self-charging, built-in handle and power bank, 140W Bluetooth speaker, karaoke for TV, OTG, Type-C, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 6 months Carafun Prime, karaoke machine with lyrics display screen for adults and kids, 2 wireless microphones, self-charging, built-in handle and PA. See more. Color, black. Included components, 1X Shell S2 Smart Karaoke Machine, 2X Bluetooth wireless microphones, user manual 1X Type-C cable. 1X Shell S2 Smart Karaoke Machine, 2X Bluetooth wireless microphones. User manual. Recommended uses for product: commercial, adults and kids, home, outdoor parties, picnics, beach events, camping trips, garden gatherings, birthday party, indoor, TV, bachelor/bachelorette party, event hosting, street performance, gifts, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween, New Year's Day. Commercial, adults and kids, home, outdoor parties, picnics, beach events, camping trips, garden gatherings, birthday party, indoor, TV. Top portable karaoke choice, the best all-in-one karaoke machine for adults, featuring karaoke apps, letting you easily search your favorite songs. Shell S2 karaoke machine with Bluetooth and wireless microphone for adults. 140W peak power portable wireless karaoke speaker, aluminum alloy handle, and rechargeable battery, 8H playtime. With premium fabric finish, lightweight and portable, easy to carry indoors or outdoors for karaoke fun anytime, anywhere. Number 5. Icareo Smart Karaoke Machine for Adults. With lyrics display, 32GB karaoke tablet. 2 wireless mics, professional karaoke system. 300W peak power, 4 DJ lights, karaoke speaker for any occasion. Brand, Icareo. Special feature, touch screen with Android for lyric display, 2 wireless self-charging mics, 300W peak power rechargeable speaker, for karaoke light, portable to connect TV, AUX in/out, Wi-Fi 2.4G per 5G, Bluetooth 5.3 touchscreen with Android for lyric display, 2 wireless self-charging mics, 300W peak power rechargeable speaker, for karaoke light, portable T. See more. Color, black. Included components: Break X2 Smart Karaoke Machine, 2 wireless microphones, charging cable, shoulder strap, warranty card, quick start. User manual. Break X2 Smart Karaoke Machine, 2 wireless microphones, charging cable, shoulder strap, warranty card, quick start, user manual. Recommended uses for product: indoor, outdoor, connect TV. No setup hassle, truly all-in-one karaoke machine with screen. Effortlessly set up your karaoke party with a compact design housing a 10.1-inch tablet, 2 wireless microphones with self-charging, and Bluetooth speaker for party with 300 W peak power. Endless karaoke songs. Icareo Break X2 Professional Karaoke Machine, not limited by your local song library, linked to the built-in YouTube and karaoke app via Wi-Fi, with over 10,000,000 plus songs in any language, unlimited songs and videos for you to choose from. Built-in 10.1-inch karaoke tablet, HD resolution, ultra-sensitive touch. Enjoy an even best karaoke machine with lyrics display with friends and family. The tablet can be rotated 180 degrees to take care of everyone's field of view and frees up your cell phone from interfering with its normal use. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.